Lift the wiper arm up as far as it will go and rotate the lower end of the blade upward until it releases off of the wiper arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Locate adapter K. Match the arrow on the adapter with the arrow on the blade, and lower the adapter into the cavity in the top of the blade. Push the adapter forward until it locks in place. Rotate the blade so it is at 90 degrees to the end of the arm. Pull the blade onto the wiper arm until the cross pin in the center of the blade slides into the groove in the arm end. Rotate the lower half of the blade toward the wiper arm to lock it in place. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm.